So today is Friday, and I was in the shop trying to make some progress on my parlor guitars. I've got a series of 6 that, well, I'm real goal orientated, so I tend to, when I start something, I like to keep my head down, keep my nose to the stone, and just get stuff done. But I was reflecting today on last Friday that I was kind of lamenting the fact that my good wife Wendy wanted me to go with her to visit her Uncle Rich, who was not doing well. He's 92 and has some dementia and cognitive issues. Was just recently admitted to a nursing home. And so last Friday, we went to see him. And Rich and I have a long-standing relationship in as much as he was the lead carpenter on the building crew that I worked with for 9.5 years. So I knew Rich very well. Well, as it turned out, I'm so glad that we did go because not only did it make my day, but I know that it made Rich's day. When we showed up, he was pretty glum, but I don't know that he even recognized Wendy, his niece. He wasn't speaking at all, but when I sat down in front of him, he did perk right up because, after all, we had spent every Monday through Friday 8 hours a day for 9.5 years together working on various job sites. And he didn't know me. He does recognize me. And I began to regale him with stories of our building past. And his eyes sparkled and lifted up, and he got a big smile, and we were connecting, and he was with me. And it was a good day to be together. Uncle Rich stopped eating Saturday, and then he passed on Sunday. So we're going to miss Rich. He was as kind-hearted and considerate, amiable, good-natured, thoughtful, measured, considered, brilliant master carpenter and builder as will ever grace this planet. And we'll miss him. What I owe, well, I was going to say most, but I owe many things to Uncle Rich. And one of those things that I was reflecting on today as I'm working on these parlor guitars is Rich taught me how to use a block plane. And he taught me the principle of an undercut. And this is the key to making a perfect joint, and I use it all the time in the shop. And it's the idea that if you undercut a joint on the backside where you don't see it, you can get an absolutely perfect fit on the face of any joint. Thanks, Uncle Rich. Rest in peace.